Okay, I can't make my potato salad because I don't have no relish, sweet relish. So I'm gonna get the dressing together. We're gonna get our dressing together. I already boiled all the vegetables. And tomorrow I just gotta get some turkey juice to make me some more broth. And what else? That's it. So let's get the ain't no spoon in here with no hole. This little big thing. I need one with holes. We're gonna strain this first and then I add the juice. Look at that juice. We're gonna add the juice as I need it tomorrow. I don't wanna put a lot of juice in here now. Cause then I'm gonna have my, I don't even think I'm gonna put my cornbread in yet. I don't think it matters. Do it matter? Put a comment down below. It's gonna, I don't know. Should I add my cornbread to it now? Okay, that's that. Some seasoning in here when I was cooking, so we don't want to put too much. Wait till tomorrow to add more. So we're gonna put a little bit of paprika. I know once I get the cornbread and everything, add a little black pepper. Not too much, because the only thing I haven't added was some salt. Because I didn't know where the salt was at. So we're going to add a little bit of salt. I don't know if we have any jalapenos. Some salt. I don't want to add too much salt either because that season is probably salty. So let's add to it tomorrow until we taste the dressing. And we're gonna, I don't even know that I have any more of my crushed pepper. Probably won't use any anyway, because they always cry, I use too much peppers. It's too hot. A little bit of this juice. And then we're gonna use some of the peppers. Just about 3. I cut them up. I add these instead of the crushed piece of peppers. I always cry, it's too hot, it's too hot. My Jesus. And I'm gonna cut this up because that's gonna go in my gravy. I go to me for my gravy. I gotta cut that up a little more. So I'm gonna cut this up and put it in gravy. And then put my gravy. I knew it was another piece missing. I knew it. Tomorrow when I get ready, put it in the gravy. Yeah. And I'll chop it up a little more tomorrow when I get ready, put it in the gravy. So tomorrow I think I gotta do my potato salad. And I think I'm gonna wait for the butter. I'm gonna wait for the butter too. Okay. That's it. Put it in the refrigerator. This is my juice. Yeah, it's ready for the refrigerator.